Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Today we will discuss about how to greet someone. While you are greeting someone at first sight, basically you are going to say hello. There are many different ways people greet each other in English. Formal greetings might contain hello, hello, whatever the name of person. How are you? How are you doing? How have you been? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Informal greetings may be hi, hey, what's up, how's it going, what's new, what have you been up to, how are you? Okay. Uh, Formal goodbyes must contain goodbye, have a nice day, it was nice seeing you again, I look forward to seeing you again, take care, good night. Informal can be bye, bye bye, see you later, or see you soon. Talk to you later. Take it easy. I have got to get going. I have got to run. A really informal are check your letter. I'm out or I'm out of here. I'm off. I've got to take off. See ya. Peace. Okay. Introduction. While you have to introduce yourself. Hello, I am Dash. I am Dash. Hey, I am Dash. Okay. Introducing someone that is formal. This is Dash. He or she is my coworker. This is Dash. He or she is Dash. I'd like to introduce you to Dash. The Dash at Dash. I would like you to meet at Dash. Okay. Introducing someone that is informal. This is Dash. This is my friend Dash. Okay. Examples of introductions are hi, I'm Elizabeth, Eric's cousin. Hey, I'm Batsy. I'm the new project manager. This is Carl. He is our new IT manager. This is my girlfriend Paula. I'd like you to meet Anna. She has been a friend of mine for 10 years. Clear? If we'll talk about the likes. I enjoy. My favorite is Dash. Okay. I really like, I love, I adore. Example sentences might include I like pizza. I like to read books by Dr. Seuss. Peters enjoy running in the snow. I enjoy this peasant quit. I love eating sushi. It is so delicious. I love learning new things. Bob really loves the new morning programs on NBC. I really like taking long walks in on the beach. I adore Maria. She is such a nice girl. Okay, talking about dislikes, I don't like that. I don't enjoy that. I dislike Dash. I hate my least favorite is Dash. Okay. Example sentences might include I don't like fish. I don't like to pick up after my kids. I don't enjoy eating spicy foods. I don't enjoy talking to my boss, etc. Okay. What do you do? Jobs. Okay. Um, Possible ways to answer if someone asks, what do you work in? What do you do for a living? How do you spend most of your time? I'm a dash. I'm dash. I work as a dash. Example sentences might include I'm a teacher. I'm a full time student. I'm a stay at home mom. I work as an engineer. I'm in between jobs right now. I'm a retired nurse. I'm a college student and work part time as a bat. Uh, okay. I work in a paper factory. I work in sales for a large telecommunication companies. Okay. What are you doing right now? You have to make a sentence by completing I am plus verb plus ing. Example sentences include I am reading a book, I am practicing English, etc. I am chatting with my friends on Skype. Clear? Talking about the past. If someone asks you about your past, most common verbs used to talk about the past are I went, I ate, I was, I weighed, I played, I saw, I took to, I worked. Example sentences might include I went to work, I ate spaghetti for lunch, I read two books after the weekend, I saw a movie, I talked to my friend. List of common times in the past might include yesterday, 2 days ago, 7 years ago, an hour ago, a little bit ago, last week, last month, when I was a kid, when I was growing up. If we are talking about the future, A list of common times in the future might include uh, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, in a few weeks, in a few months, in a few years, when I retire. The two most common phrases used to talk about the future are I will, I'm going to. Example sentences include I will go to vaccination or vacation in June. I will meet with my friends on Friday. Clear? Okay. If we have to talk about our routines, list of some things you do every day or often. Wake up, go to sleep, brush your teeth, take a shower, use the internet, cook, clean, drive, talk to your husband or wife, study, read, etc. I dash every day on dash and I dash dash dash. Okay. Example sentences I wake up at 7 a.m. I work out 4 days a week. I play baseball every Sunday. I go to work every day. I go to school 5 days a week. I brush my teeth every day. I drink coffee every morning. On Tuesday and Thursday, I go to English classes. Okay. If someone will ask you about your hobbies and free time, common ways to respond to these questions are I in my free time I dash. I like dash in my free time. I dash every week. I am learning to dash when I'm not working. I like to dash. Okay. Example sentences include I am free time. In my free time, I like to work out at the gym. I like to spend time with my family and friends in my free time. Okay. If I have to introduce our families, phrases to talk about your family are there are dash people in my family. I live with my dash and dash. I have dash brothers and sisters. Clear? Okay. I have dash children. I have a small or large family. I live close to my family. I live far away from my family. Questions you can ask someone about their families. How many children do you have? Do you have a large or small family? Do you live near your extended family? Did you grow up here? How many siblings do you have? Clear? If we'll talk about the relationships, talking about someone's personal relationship can be touchy. Okay, don't talk to someone about your relationship until you get to know them a little more. Common vocabulary used when talking about the relationships are single, alone, okay, married in a committed relationship, divorced, formerly married now alone in a relationship but may not be that serious. Okay, platonic relationship, just friends. Okay, friends, spending time with each other, friends with benefits, hook up, someone you like. Okay, make out, break up. Example sentences after horrible breakup and divorce, I am happy to be a single again. We have been happily married for 10 years. Okay. And the question you should ask about someone's relationship, are you single? How long have you been married? When did you get divorced? How you been friends for a long time? How did you meet each other? Okay. Personal characteristics. There are many ways to describe someone. Below, you will learn some of the most basic personal characteristics. Okay. Common characteristics to describe someone's personality: talkative, talks a lot, hard worker, athletic, smart or intelligent, funny, easygoing, lazy, mean. Mean means having rude or bad attitude. Everyone loves to eat. Right below, you will find some phrases to helpful for the process of eating. My favorite food is dash. My least favorite food is dash. I like to eat dash 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 dash. Okay. Example sentences include my favorite food is spaghetti with meatballs. My least favorite food is sushi. I am leaving few sentences for you people to practice at your home. I am not reading all the sentences or not clarifying all the sentences because I am leaving them for you people to understand complete. Question to ask about the food and cooking. What's your favorite food? What kind of food do you like? Do you like dash food? Are you a good cook? What are you good at cooking? Have you ever tried Can you give me the recipe for this? What is in this food? Okay, weather. The weather is very common conversation topic. The weather affects everyone no matter where they are. Okay. Common phrases about the weather: it's sunny, it's cloudy, it's rainy, it's hot out today, it's freezing today, I hate dash weather, I love this weather, etc. etc. Okay. Question to ask about the weather: what's the weather like today? It is going dash. Do you like this weather? Okay. If we'll talk about the transportation, many different means of transportation are there. um commute, the act of going to and from work. Traffic, when there's a lot of cars arrived when someone else being you somewhere in the car. Example sentences: I take the bus to work every day. Question to ask about the transportation: how do you get to school? How do you get to work? What time does the next dash come? Traveling time might it's 2 o'clock, 10:15. Okay. You can ask about it as what time is it, what time do you work, what time do you go out of school, what time you go to school. Okay. Directions: opposite, in front of, countryside, far away from means not near, distant, straight. Okay. Where is dash, how do you get to dash. Okay. Calendar: here are the examples for calendar. You can read them. You also know there are 12 months. Okay. And days: Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. And again, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, the month, and according to them their dates are given. If I'll talk about the number, you know about 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1,000,000, and these are the number that you have to study. Nationality: you can guess the nationality by these questions. TVs and movies: everybody is curious about knowing which place the next person wants. Neighborhood and houses: you can ask about them by knowing the terms. What does the urban means, rural means, suburb means, apartment means, condo means. Okay. There is grocery shopping: you can use these terminologies for your grocery shopping. These are the restaurant or coffee shop shopping, clothes and shoe shopping. Inshallah, we will discuss more in next video. Stay motivated, stay tuned for the next video part. God bless you. Allah Hafiz. If you do like my video, then please share my video with your friends. Allah Hafiz.